Hello children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment number 28, 7th class chemistry. Our topic is periodic classification. In this assignment total we have 5 questions. Now let us discuss one by one. Our first question is, dash is defined as the distance between the nucleus and the electron in the outermost shell of an ion. Okay, they have mentioned about ion. Okay, here the distance between the nucleus to the outermost electron in an ion. Okay, in an ion. Okay, the distance from center of the nucleus to outermost electron, okay, outermost electron of an ion, that is called what? Ionic radius. So the answer is fourth option. Okay, the distance in an ion is called ionic radius. Next, second question. When a neutral atom loses one or more electrons is called, actually those can be called as a cation. Okay, when an atom loses its one or more electrons, it can form positive charge. So positive charge is nothing but cations. For example, sodium. Okay, sodium atomic number 11. Okay, this sodium try to lose one electron. Okay, try to lose one electron to form positive charge Na plus cation. Okay, it will lose one electron. Okay, so when a neutral atom loses one or more electrons is called cation. Okay, next, third question. Which of the following is correct about ionic radius? Okay, which of the following is correct about ionic radius? Actually, see here, sodium, the radius of sodium atom is more than radius of cation of sodium. Okay, this is the cation, this is the atom. Okay, this is the neutral atom, this is the cation. Okay, in this number of electrons are more, 11 electrons. In this 11 electrons, but in this only 10 electrons. Okay, here in this neutral atom sodium, the distance from the center of the nucleus to outermost electron is more. Here the distance from the center of the nucleus to outermost electron is less when compared to neutral sodium atom. So here clearly the radius of the sodium atom is more than radius of the cation of sodium. Okay, next to this also Fe plus 2, Fe plus 2 is more than Fe plus 3, Fe plus 3, because as the positive charges increases, okay, here positive charge is plus 2, here positive charge is plus 3. As the positive charges increases, okay, as the positive charge increases, then nuclear power of attraction is more on valency electron, then size will be decreased gradually. Okay, see here, in this nuclear power of attraction is more, in this less nuclear power of attraction when compared to this Fe plus 3. So the radius of Fe plus 2 is more than radius of Fe plus 3. Next, third option, see here, Pb plus 2 greater than Pb plus 4. Here also, here it is the positive charge plus 2, here positive charge plus 4. Okay, here more is the positivity. Okay, as the electropositivity increases, as the number of positive charges increases, then nuclear power of attraction also increases, then size will decrease gradually. Okay, clearly here the radius of Pb plus 2 is more than radius of Pb plus 4. See here the answer is all of these, all are correct. Okay, next to fourth question. The species atoms or ions having the same number of electrons are known as, that is called as isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species, because iso means same, iso means same, electronic means electrons. Okay, the species or atoms or ions which are having the same number of electrons, those are called as isoelectronic species. For example, sulfur -2, next chlorine minus. Okay, here sulfur atomic number, actually the sulfur atomic number is 16. Here 2 electrons were added, 16 plus 2 is equal to 18 electrons. Okay, next chlorine atomic number is 17. Here 1 electron is added, then total 18 electrons. So these are having the similar number of electrons, 18 and 18. So these sulfur -2 and chlorine minus, these are example for isoelectronic species. Next, fifth question. Which of the following is correct about isoelectronic species? Okay, see here, first see the first option, carbon -4 and nitrogen -3, O -2. Okay, here the radius or size, the size of carbon -4 is more than nitrogen -3 and nitrogen -3 is more than oxygen -2, because as the negative charge decreases, then the radius or size of the ion also decreases. Here first option, second option, third option, fourth, all of these, all options are correct, because carbon having 10 electrons, nitrogen also having, okay, C-4 having 10 electrons, N-3 also having 10 electrons, O-2 having also 10 electrons, but the size, as the electrode charge, as the negative charge increases, then size also increases. C-4 greater than N-3 greater than O-2. Next, F- greater than neon greater than sodium plus. Next, third option, magnesium +2 more than aluminum +3 more than silicon +4. Okay, here positive charge increases, +2, +3, +4. As the positive charge increases, then size will decrease. Okay, here in this first case, as the negative charge decreases, then radius also decreases. So all of these, all options are correct. Hope everyone understood. Thank you.